Hello, Miss Auda here. I'm going to show you how to access my website while we are practicing social distancing due to the COVID-19 virus. So, the first thing you'll do is you will pick one of these web, either Safari or Google Chrome. I prefer Google Chrome, and you will then type in or search Middleton. So just type in Middleton School Loop. As you can see, I've already searched it, so it's remembered my history. And it is the first result that pops up. So go ahead and click Middleton Street Elementary School Loop and click our Jaguar logo, and it will take you to our Middleton page. And at the top here, there are many links that you can browse through, but for our purpose, we will click on faculty. I'm going to go ahead and enlarge the screen so you can see it better. And click teachers. For my name, you will have to scroll to the bottom of the page and find my name under resource team. Click my name. You'll see my face and then a link to my website. Now on this website, you will see there are different tabs for grade levels. So depending on your grade level, you will click on that. They're all pretty much made uniformly, meaning they're the same format, but not the same content. They don't have the same materials inside. So for example, for second grade, if you are a second grader, you will see that there is a link back to the home page. There is also a link to a reading page that's specifically for second graders reading. And for now, I have links to videos, YouTube videos that helps with phonics and also reading books out loud to you in case no one's home and you have to read on your own. You can listen to someone read and they show you the words while they're reading, so that will be helpful. Oops, sorry. And if you go back to the second grade homepage and click on math, you will also be linked back to videos of math lessons created by Khan Academy, and these are specifically for number sense, hoping to help you understand numbers a little bit more. And if we go back to the second grade homepage, you will see that you can access a Google Classroom. And if you click that page, it will give you a link to the Google Classroom for second graders, and you will see my message here. You will need an adult to probably try to help you read my assignments for you, and I will have some resources there for you. Now, right now you can see that I can access it because I'm logged in and I've already joined it. So for you, you probably still need to join it. So on the corner somewhere, or maybe there's a button, it looks like a plus sign and it will say join a class. Go ahead and click that plus sign and input the code that is on my website. Now each grade level has its own code. There's a different code for each grade level. So this is a code that you will have to input so that you can join my second grade classroom. For the third graders, let me show you. It's this code. So you'll click this link and it'll take you to a third grade classroom. But you will need to input this code to join that class. Now, if you click the reading link under third grade, you'll see third grade reading. And I tried to find read alouds that are age appropriate for you. So these are books that you can read along with. And same with math. So as of right now, they're just videos from Khan Academy. My goal is to record videos of myself giving you lessons. So if we go back home, and you will see that there's a link to my YouTube channel. Now my YouTube channel right now is empty because I never thought I would be a YouTuber, but I guess now I will have to be. So this is my first video that I will be uploading onto this YouTube channel to hopefully help you navigate, help you find your way through um, my lessons. All right, so hopefully that was helpful, and I'm hoping to see you all soon. Bye.